Whoa guys, I'm blown away. Listen to these two voices. One is completely free and runs locally on my Mac, and the other one is paid for from the leading voice AI platform. Can you tell the difference?
Hi Phil, I'm definitely the better voice. Confidence is doing a lot of work here.
Hi Phil. I also think I'm the better voice, which is awkward for one of us.
Pretty good, right? And one of them costs $0 to run. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the free version in OpenClaw and one use case that I'm currently using in my mission control. So why am I so pumped about this? Well, now you don't have to worry about burning through lots of API credits, because as you may have found out, text-to-speech engines can be quite expensive. Not only that, you don't have to listen to that god-awful robotic voice you still hear on a Mac to this day. Does anyone recognize this?
Naval Ravagant. Apple is dead. SAH's.
And by the way, Voice 1
Hi Phil, I'm definitely the better voice.
was the free version. So how does this work? For anyone new to voice, this is actually two separate things. First of all, you need speech to text so that your agent can understand the audio you just sent. And second of all, we need text to speech so that your agent can generate the audio and send it back. The text to speech, we're using MLX plus Kokoro. This is native to macOS with Apple Silicon. And for speech to text, we're using OpenAI Whisper. Both are completely free and run locally on your machine. You'll get absolutely no API bills. So I'm going to load up Telegram and show you how you can do this live. So all you need is the prompt from my OpenClaw community here. It's completely free to join. I'll leave a link down in the description below. So just copy this prompt here. And what it says to set up a fully local voice for OpenClaw on this Mac using OpenAI Whisper, Kokoro, and MLX. It says to install any local dependencies, to restart the gateway, and then fully test end to end. So if I go into Telegram here, and if I drop this in, I'm also going to add at the bottom, send a voice message saying hi to my YouTube viewers. Okay, so let's send that out. And in just a moment, that should be configured. Okay, so it's all set up. It didn't take long whatsoever. It took 3 minutes in total. By the way, I'm using ChatGPT 5.4 as my model for this. And you can see here that it's fully set up. It passed the end-to-end test. So let's have a listen to the audio.
Hi YouTube, great to have you here.
So what can you do now that you set this up? Well, in my Life OS here, so I have a mission control and a Life OS, I have a read section. And in here, it's like my own version of Audible. So when I'm reading books and articles, I like to take lots of notes. And what I do then, I put them into my read section here, and I can listen back to them whenever I want. So here's some different books that I've read. I can press on one of these. Now, you know, the great thing is I don't have to worry about consuming lots and lots of credits. As you can see, some of these have quite a few characters, and I can listen to these as much as I want. You can see here I've listened to this one 3 times, this one 5 times. If I press on it,
If you can get 1% better each day for 1 year, you'll be 37x better. Success is the product of daily habits.
so that's just one of my use cases. And by the way, Kokoro has 26 different voices that you can choose from and multiple different languages, whether it be Spanish, French, Japanese. It can do text-to-speech for you. And if you want to learn actually how to create a mission control like I have here, I've created another video walking you through how to do that. So I hope that's helpful. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.